everyone. Hope you're having a good day. We're having a good day today, right? Are you having a good day?
Yes.
Yes? Are you having a good day, princess? Yes? We're gonna make some cake pops. I bought stuff to make cake pops for Valentine's Day. You want the pink kind? Okay.
And have the chocolate.
Run in and grab it. Yeah, sure. And that didn't happen because Valentine's Day turned into a big flop. At least for me. I had a bad attitude and I was trying not to. Just because I've been a little ornery. And then, honestly, everyone was just kind of being rude to each other. So it ended up being like, dumb. Not the Valentine's Day anyone was hoping for. So we didn't make cake pops, but we are today. So we've actually never made cake pops.
Yeah.
Which is kind of crazy to think about. They always seemed a little harder than I thought that they were gonna be. Do you guys know we have to bake these cakes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah. I definitely.
That's the cake mix. Okay, what else do we need? Let's read.
Chicken.
Water, oil, and eggs. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is mix up the cake mix. And then we're going to bake the cakes. Once the cakes are baked, we're going to add, can anyone guess?
Cake mix.
Frosting. I got these because I did get funfetti and I love this frosting. I also got
This is the only thing that they have.
lemon frosting, yum. But I do also have some vanilla. Okay, I also got these at Hobby Lobby. Casey went with me and I was like, I don't know if I should get this. And he was like, I think you should get that. He felt like very passionate about it and I was like, I'm gonna go off of his feelings. Like for me, I was like, I don't know, we can just like do whatever. And he was like, no, I think that this would be helpful. So we'll see. We'll see. Also, you need these candy nuts to dip your cake pops in. Okay. Oh, look at these that I got too. Look how cute.
I'm just gonna cut this and chug it.
You're gonna chug
Chug. Guess what I want to be on my. This will be taste bad if you chug this.
Okay.
I want the bowl. Okay, I'll have this bowl. Do we dump this in?
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends.
Mommy, I mixed
I'll be
it.
in fools, drifting the deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night.
Okay.
This one mix, dap, dap,
Do it.
mix, dap. This is so uncomfortable.
That makes me so uncomfortable. It's pretty grody, huh?
This is like a big throw up. Look. Look at mine, babe. Good, but look at mine. It looks like a throw up. Big fire. Oh my goodness. Can I put some in, Mom?
Yep.
Can I put some in? It does look good, but it doesn't. Do I know what Mom we got? Winston. Oh my goodness, I don't even want to look at it. Mommy, so princess.
Here's what's so princess.
Definitely looking at my hand. Definitely. Okay, fine, I was looking.
Hold on,
I made
please.
this really huge. I want to demo too. guess so. Hey, that's my napkin! No! I can't run! I can't run!
The cakes are baking. Rosie is tweaking this train off.
I'm just watching the
How was snowboarding today?
It was good.
It was good?
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, chicken.
It's a good thing about
Hi,
getting
chicken.
new snow is this snowboarding is great. Skiing is great. I'm gonna show you some clips of Gage attempting some front flips. Would you guys like to see that? It's good. I think I'm proud of you for trying. I'm way too chicken.
Oh. I had it, bud. Oh.
The cakes have like 25 minutes, so I'm gonna have a snack. So anyone else wants a snack? I have been loving, oh my gosh, there's way too many things going on to concentrate. I've been loving snap peas and hummus. So, the chaos happening. I don't want to take my Valentine's Day decorations down. I love them. Can I leave them up all February? Why not? The cakes are baked. Now I just took this cake, remove the, ew, farty, remove the crust, oh, and then you're gonna put it in the bowl, crumbled. I don't know if you're supposed to remove the bottom, but we're not. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do, is crumble it. Good job, Layla. I'm gonna put that part in there, and then we'll mix this with some frosting. There's the chocolate cake. I'll finish the strawberry cake. Great, and then decide what dressing we want, or what, not dressing, frosting we want. Do you know what frosting you want? Okay, go grab it. Okay, we mixed the cake with some cream cheese frosting. Okay, since we've never done this before, I don't really know what
Oh,
to
and then
do.
you make little balls and you put it
Here.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax. All your
We're gonna call these ice cream scoop cake pops.
for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away.
I have these over here. They're not all the way like totally firm, but they're at a good place where we can put the lollipop sticks in.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh,
Good girl. Nice dance moves.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling. Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on.